Oh, welcome back to Capture Nature. Today we're just walking into a river that we're going to be fishing. My name is Jason. This is my channel, Capture Nature. Hopefully we'll be fishing some dry flies, but today's a bit wet. And hopefully the fish will be obliging to the flies that we throw at them. So stick around and let the action unfold. Cheers! Down to our first pool. I don't know if you can hear me because of the river. There's two rainbows that are sitting in this hole here. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a big stick over the back there we don't really want to hit. So I'll throw you on my head and hopefully we'll have a cast. Yeah, today I'm fishing with my new rod. It's a little Flicky Stick 2000. We've got a dry. We've got a bow sipping on dries. Let's throw the cast over it and let's see if we can get it. That was perfection. Oh, down the rapids. This thing's taking me for a skid, man. It's just bloody resting here in this pool. Might have a net shot if I'm lucky. Nah, no way. The drag's at full lock now. I gotta try to pull it up current. Feisty bows, man. They are so feisty. We're gonna get, this is our shot at the net. We got him. We got him, nice work. Now back up the rapids we go. Hopefully find some more. You! Well, we've got a bloody bit of stuff on the lens here. Got a beautiful rainbow trout. This pool over here. It's definitely feeding. Got to get the cast right and everything all good. Hopefully everything turns out sweet. Brownie on the dry. This one came frickin' back and had a look at me. Cheeky bloody thing. Trying to suss me out. How good's that to catch a brown on a dry? and not even be in the South Island. Oh, it's got a bit of weight to it. Try and bring its big dog head up. And now he's ready to come in. Fly just bloody frickin' lands on it. Here we go, to the net. Beautiful, beautiful frickin' big brown. I love it. That was a sick brown, man. So much character. So much character. Big jaw. It's definitely an old one. It's been around for a while. Good old battler. But that's a freaking cool fish, man. He deserves to bloody go back. He's lived for that bloody long. How cool. Time to work this seam. Another fish there wouldn't eat a fly. Should eat a bloody little dryage though. It's got to be so natural. Bloody fronds. There's one. There's one. Let's see if we can raise him. Now we're off on a mission, maybe. I know you're buggered. Locked on you pretty hard now. Come on, Becky, come. Get out of that current. In the net. There was a nice rainbow to the net. This one comes in at 4 pound. Look at the cool colours on this beast. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh, what a beautiful dry hit. Beautiful dry hit. Stoked as with that. This is absolutely a spectacular looking brown. I was kind of hoping for a good brown. Don't want to high stick me rod. Here we go, might get a shot at this guy. It's probably one of the most beautiful looking browns I've seen in a while, and it's in the nettage. Nice, beautiful work. It's almost up to the 5. I don't want to drop it. Have a look at this fish with all its colours. How cool is that? That's a bloody frickin' wicked fish, man. They don't get much cleaner than that. Yeah, son. Oh, brown in my season. I'm stoked that. Not the super hugest one, but the most pretty looking fish. It's so good. Love it. Drag is solid, full lock. Oh, testing the test line. It's been a bit of a battle. Put the cast in, took a few casts till I got it into the right spot. Once I got into the right spot, hello, indicator slash fly goes down, lift up. We have this nice specimen of a bow. Stirred up the water here a bit. Just doesn't want to give up. It's got a lot of power. Button the drag off. The drag was set as tight as it could go. It was peeling line. So that was pretty sick. I'm going to get a net shot soon, hopefully. Now we have to tighten this drag right up again to get this end shot in. Here we go, tight. We're full lock now. The fish is pretty tired. It's a big Jackie boy. Gonna get the net out. I'm gonna go for the scoop. Here we go. Going for the scoop. Pinned right perfectly on the nostril. And it's in the net. Oh, this is a frickin' beast of a fish. Happy boy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Such a big fish. Look at the size of the tail compared to my hand. How good is that? Oh, stoked, fish of my season. good bit of a session. Now we're going to make some breakfast slash lunch slash pretty much dinner. This is good dry flies for the day. It's pretty mean. Hope you enjoy it. So it's cook up time. On the menu today is steak, wraps, cheese. Steak and cheese wraps, because I think that's a bloody wrap. Oh, it's definitely well bloody yeah. It's simple. Push down a bit of Coke. Have a clean up and have a rest. Might chuck some time lapses on. A beautiful mountain. Whew. I'm gonna enjoy this. Worked hard for that one, didn't you? Yeah. It's a nice rainbow trout in the backcountry for Caitlin. Good work. Yeah, chuck it in the net.